Dinosaur Honk, the Parasaurolophus. Dinosaur Honk made a noise like a goose. The Parasaurolophus was out on the loose. With the crest on her head, she loved to have fun. By honking so loudly, she woke everyone. As soon as she would finish, she would honk even more, till everything shook on the rainforest floor. When Dinosaur Boo tried to give Honk a fright, the naughty Dinosaur hid out of sight. But as he jumped up, Honk let out a shout, and mischievous Boo fell flat on his snout. If Dinosaur Whiz fancied having a race, the swift Clovis needed Honk on her place to let off a sound so the race could begin, but her honking left everyone else in a spin. Honk's thunderous noise shook Dinosaur Flap, who froze as she cradled an egg in her lap. The sacred oviraptor, unable to move, gave Honk a fierce look like she didn't approve. But Honk hadn't meant to cause any harm. There were times when her honking had raised the alarm. Like the day when Dinosaur Thud had appeared, the mean Carnotaurus was really quite feared. Thud thought he was clever and liked to have fun by scaring the others and making them run. The big bulky bully tried hard to attack, but Dinosaur Honk stood her ground and yelled back. She hooted and hollered the way she knew best, like a brassy bowl trumpet from her long bony crest. Thud thought he could win with the horns on his head, but the huge Carnotaurus tripped backwards and fled. Honk's friends all agreed that she had done well, and everyone cheered as they bid Thud farewell. All about Parasaurolophus. It had a long curved crest on its head, which it used to communicate with other dinosaurs. Parasaurolophus was a herbivore, which meant it ate plants. Parasaurolophus had a thick muscular tail. Parasaurolophus had a broad flat mouth that looked like a duck's beak. Parasaurolophus usually walked on all four legs, but sometimes walked on two. Parasaurolophus means near-crested lizard. Can you spot these features in the story about Dinosaur Honk? The end. Did you like it?